way back from Cades Cove. What did you want for dinner?
Subway.
And we had Subway. Next door to Subway in Townsend, there was a place called, if I read it correctly, it's called the Chocolate B'ar of Townsend. They had chocolate. Why not? So we have chocolate. That's not your box. We have 4 boxes. We'll show you what we have. So this is Madeline's box, and there is no way we're gonna eat all this at one time. We're not eating all this at one time, right?
Right.
Right?
Maybe.
Do you want cookies later?
I make no promises.
Do you want cookies later? Do you want birthday donuts? Cookies? We're not eating all the chocolate.
This is a lavender truffle. I have never had a lavender truffle, so I just want to
Okay,
try.
you can try that one. Did you get a sudden burst of lavender? I can't have any. Is it good?
No, it's terrible. Absolutely terrible. You can't eat it.
Why not?
It's just terrible. Let me spare you from eating yours.
Touch mine and I slap your hand. Are they good? Are they good? Alright, she also has, he actually let her try one before she bought one. They are milk chocolate covered, no. Milk chocolate covered gummy worms. And I've never seen anybody cover gummy worms in chocolate. She also has these super cute milk chocolate bear, like the black bears around here. This was their honey cinnamon pieces. You have another, oh, you have a key lime truffle. And I think that's it. Oh wait, no. Yeah, that's it. You have a lot of gummies in there. My favorite, the first thing I spotted was this latte truffle cup. And it has, this is a latte truffle cup. I actually honestly mostly got it because I was like, it's adorable. So I got one of these, and then I might let Matt have his. I might let you have yours. He says that as if I can actually stop him. Then it looks like one of the truffles leaked on this. This isn't like an espresso bite truffle thing. It's supposed to be different. Matt has a dark chocolate of the gummy worms and also a lavender truffle. There's 2 Buckeyes. Is that all it's in that one? Yeah, 2 Buckeyes. Then, do you remember what the rest of this was? Because I kind of don't. There was sea salt truffle. There was jellies.
Yeah, the jellies.
There's jellies. I'm not 100%.
Some are orange, some are raspberry.
Okay, so like they have jelly in them? Okay.
I don't know. I haven't tried one yet.
Try. Because I'm curious. Is it literally jelly-filled chocolate? I can't see if the camera will cooperate.
It's really good.
Okay, that is interesting. Oh wow, that is really good.
And then you have the Buckeyes.
And we have the Buckeyes.
They're in that one.
So, if you go to Townsend, which I highly recommend Townsend, it's the quieter side. And you can still, you're not that far from like theme parks and attractions and things, but if you want somewhere like quieter to stay, I definitely recommend Townsend. It's next door, it's like, well, it's like not right next door, but it's over by the Subway over in Townsend. You should definitely check this out. I want to try this. I really, really want to try this like right now.
Well, then try it like right now.
It's adorable though. I need to take some more pictures of it first and then I'll try it. Alright, hold on. Before you do that, I want to see if I can actually... No, you can't. You can't lick off the top bit. Oh wow, there's marshmallow on top, shaved chocolate, and then there's the truffle on the inside. Okay, this is really, really good. Let me go to the truffle part.
I haven't actually been into the truffle.
Me neither.
You have a little bit of it right here.
Was it already there? Oh no. Oh no. You have a little bit. Right.
So what do you guys think?
I'm really good, but I still haven't got to the truffle yet. He has.
What do you think?
Very good.
Oh wow. Very good.
More descriptive words, please.
The marshmallow is very sticky, but it's very creamy. The flavors really go well together. And it's really cute. And these are actually not sold by the pound, they're sold by the piece. Or, yeah, but they're not sold by the pound, they're sold by the piece. So you can buy, like, just these. And they're so cute. Okay, you can turn off.
Ever since seeing on other people's videos, I've always wanted to make cookies at a cabin stay. So, Mom bought cookies. All you have to do is break these apart. More cookies for me.
But why make cookies at a cabin on vacation?
Well, because it's good.
And
warm cookies, warm atmosphere.
what did you tell me? Sometimes it's fun to...
Sometimes it's fun to do baking whenever you're away from home.
And because sometimes at home we don't get as much time to do stuff like baking cookies. We'll do baking together because like we do muffins. What else do we do?
Pancakes.
But do we ever get to do cookies as often as we want to?
No. Usually we have Dad buy Stitch cookies from the store. Stitch cookies are cookies that are cute and fluffy, and whenever you bounce them just right on your thumb, they bend down like an old abandoned house's ceiling fan.
Please tell me you just heard your daughter. Matt.
Dad.
Yeah, I heard her.